Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. Welcome back to the computer online session of class 4. Student, in the previous video we have completed the explanation of lesson number 3 as well as fill in the blanks and multiple choice question. Now today I am going to start with the question answer section. So what you all need to do is you all have to take out your copies. You all have to note down the number of the lesson, which is lesson number 3, and then you have to note down the name of the lesson, which is more on MS Word. Now I request everyone to open page number 50. So I'm going to start with this curricular assessment. So as you can see, the questions are given in your book and for the answer space is given. But you have to write down the answers in the book and in the notebook also. Okay, you all are having computer notebook now. So in that notebook you have to write down the answers as well as in the book also. As you can see, the space is given for every question, for every answers, right? So now I'm going to start with the question and answer session. So student, I have not written the questions here. Questions you can note down from your book. I have written only answers. So just get start with the work. Question number 1, what do you mean by editing? So in this you have to tell about editing. So what is editing? Making changes in a document is called editing. When we are making any kind of changes in a document, that is known as editing. The next question is, what is formatting? So the answer is, formatting refers to changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. So when we are changing something in our document to make it attractive, that is known as formatting. Now question number 3, what is the difference between undo and redo command? Okay. So undo refers to cancelling a command given earlier and redo means to reverse the undo, right? Now question number 4, how do you make the text bold? So the answer is, the following steps are used to make the text bold. Step number 1, select the text which you want to make bold. Then step number 2, click the home tab. Then step number 3, click from the clipboard group and your text will become bold. Okay, so if you need to make your text bold, you have to follow these 3 steps. Now fifth question, name any 3 fonts. So there are a lot of fonts available, but I have written 3 fonts because as asked in your question that you have to mention 3 fonts. So number 1 font Calibri, number 2 Arial, and number 3 Cambria. Okay, now moving to the next page, page number 51. You are having 2 long questions. So question you can note down from your book. I'm reading the answers for you. First of all, first question, write the steps to copy text. So in this you have to write down the steps to copy text. So step number 1, select the text you want to copy. So whatever the text you want to copy, you have to select that. Step number 2, click the home tab. You have to go on home tab. Step number 3, click copy from the clipboard group just because you need to copy the text. Then your text will be copied. Okay. Then question number 2, write the procedure to create 2 lists using bullets and numbers. So you have to create one list using bullets and the other one using number. So you have to tell the steps how you can create the list for that. So steps for creating list with numbers. If you are creating any list with numbers, how you are going to create that? Step number 1, you have to select the text on which you need to give the numbering. Step number 2, you need to go in home tab. Step 3, click numbering drop down list because you need to make this list with numbers, so you have to choose numbering drop down list. Then step number 4, select the list of your choice. The list is numbered. Okay. Now steps for creating list with bullets. Step number 1, again you need to select the text in which you need to add the bullets. Step number 2, you need to go in home tab. Step number 3, click bullets drop down list. And step number 4, select bullet style and the list will be bulleted. Okay. In numbering, you can give numbering like 1, 2, 3 as I have given here. You can give ABC, capital or small, and in bullets you can choose different types of bullets like this, like star bullets and all, like dot bullets and all, like arrow. Okay, I hope you all have remembered this topic we have discussed in the chapter. Okay, So student, I hope the work is very clear to you. Now one homework is there for you. What you all need to do is you have to match the following. Match the following. So you have to note down this work in your copy. These are shortcut keys which are available in MS Paint. So here, copy, paste, cut, undo, redo, save, option and print. For that, which shortcut key we are using, they are written here. So we have to match this. Number 1 I am doing for you. For copy, you are choosing Ctrl+C. This is the shortcut key for copying. Okay, so in the same way you have to match. Okay student, now in the next video we'll meet again with new work. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and take care.